Should audio equipment be maintained? Seems like a simple question. It comes from Bryn in Truro, Cornwall, United Kingdom. Just as someone would properly maintain their car or clean their house, are there particular things that one could do to keep their system running at its best? I don't want to let my sound system have its performance degraded due to the lack of care or attention. So your advice would be greatly appreciated. Well, first off, we'll talk about him next, but generally, loudspeakers, electronics, very little maintenance required, unless you have tubes. But for solid state electronics, for passive speakers, even active speakers, there's not much to do. And I mean, and that's one of the nice things. It's like my car. My car is an electric car, and I am so thankful that I'm not changing oil on the thing. I mean, the worst I've had to do is the stupid little monitors for the tires bug me because they'd say I don't have enough tire pressure in there. Sometimes technology is not my friend, but anyway, very little maintenance. When it comes to turntables, now that's a different story. Turntables require a lot of maintenance. They often, just the obvious things like cleaning your needle, making sure that the record itself is cleaned each time, if you can afford the time and the energy, making sure the VTA is correct, that your azimuth is right, that it's level. I mean, these mechanical devices can take a lot of maintenance, and they will serve you well if you do maintain them. Not much to do on speakers. As I said, tube equipment, you're going to want to change your tubes every year, depending on your usage, I think. The one tip that I'll give you that I do every spring, and I just completed it, is I go to the back of my system and I unplug every single connection, every single AC plug. I take them all out, I tidy up things, and I plug them all back in. And it always sounds better. Now, so some have prophesized, well, it's like washing your car. It always runs better after you wash it, right? I mean, that's just one of those facts. It's more than that. There's I want to say a bit of industrial pollutions and pollutants that, in our modern society, our air is not like it used to be. There are industrial pollutants everywhere. From it just is. Unless you live out in the middle of nowhere. And even then, oxidation can occur. Now, I have all my connectors are gold plated, so theoretically there's no oxidation that takes place. But in fact, I can routinely unplug and plug in my connections, and I swear to you, they sound better. So even if it's just a placebo, it's good at least once a year, maybe twice. Unplug everything, plug it all back in, tidy up things, you'll be pretty happy. Okay, great question. Thanks, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Sorry, gotta do it. Have you gotten the book? 99% True. Go to Amazon, type in 99% True in the search bar, and grab yourself a copy. I would thank you and greatly appreciate it. I wrote it just for you. Okay, well, not just for you, but I did write it for you. All right, talk to you later. Bye.